Hello everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have the November Pink and Main Crafty Courtyard kit. Haven't seen it. You know I like to do that. I like to surprise myself so that when it does show up, I'm completely shocked. So, and I guess the only shock I don't have is that I know I'm gonna love it. So, all right, let's go ahead and talk about it. It comes in this fun pink box. So when you see this at your door, I mean, you know excitement is there. And she always has them just packaged so nicely inside of here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. Oh, I can already tell you, yeah, I'm gonna love it. I'm gonna pull it out and then we'll talk about what comes in here. Oh yeah. Okay, so you get your pouch. You get your pouch and your paper. Your cardstock comes separately. Excuse me. So we'll go ahead and talk about the paper very quickly. You know what? Wait. Let's pull out the card. There's a card inside the pouch, and I love it because these just make it so easy to craft on the go. I was crafting on the go this weekend. Okay, isn't that just so pretty? I love that. Oh, love it. Okay, so this one's called Hello You. That's the November 2021 kit. And what it tells you on the back of your card is everything that comes in the kit, and then she gives you your color palette so that you can go through your stash of supplies, whether it be your inks, your markers, your paints, whatever it is you plan to use, and you can pull those things out, and that way you can just easily craft. So there's your card, and then the front alone, I mean, you could turn that into a card front also, which is great. Okay, so I'm going to set this off to the side, and we'll pull bits out as we get to it. But let's talk about our cardstock first. It looks like we get a couple pieces of ice rink cardstock, which is a nice heavy-duty cardstock. It's good for card bases. It's good for coloring too. Then we have, oh, I love that she uses basil. We've got Sandbox, which has a Swiss dot texture to it. It's beautiful. Then we get the Daisy, which has some texture as well, but it's just different. We have a buddy. He might stop in. Yeah. And then you get a piece of pink glitter cardstock. You're also going to get this, it's called Pea Coral Cream. Probably like a peachy color. It's really pretty. It has like a weave texture. And then we also have Jet Stream, and this is another one that's like this light blue. I love this color palette. Very, very pretty. A little different than like Christmas. So if you're in Christmas card making mode, although you could very well bring these into Christmas cards and make something fun like that. But that's your paper pad or your cardstock. Let me see. There's usually a little flare button. Here it is. It's so cute. Oh, look at that. Mine says friend. I don't know if you'll have the same or if you'll have something a little bit different, but mine says friend, and it's got the little oranges on there. I cannot wait to see what the stamp set's going to look like. I can't wait. I can't wait. Okay, then we have, let's fold the embellishments. We've got our sequin mix. These are all about the same size, but there's like some yellows, some like brown, some off-white, some pink, and two different colors of blue. So you get a lot of options there. Then we also have, oh yes, the glitter enamel dots. Hey Miles, did you want to check it out? So the glitter enamel dots for Hello You, and then we've got it in our full color palette. It's beautiful. I gotta cover that up, otherwise he's gonna try and run off with it. Come on, buddy. Come on. Wanna look from here? All right, I can't take it any longer. Let's look at the paper pad. There we go. It's called Pastel Dreams. Okay. Oh, and it comes in, instead of coming in like a cellophane bag, it's taped shut. So I'm going to just open that up real quick. Pull that back. This doesn't get caught on my paper. All right. And it's beautiful. Look at that. Let's go through it quickly. This is 6x6, 24 sheets, and they are front and back. Beautiful. Ooh. Oh, I love these. These are some great, just like simple patterns. You get a few that have a little bit of extra color, but they're mostly just really nice, simple patterns. Easy to layer up. Love that. I don't remember what we started with. Okay. Oh, that's so pretty. And then we're back to the beginning. So that's that. Super pretty. Love that pastel. Makes me feel like spring. Even though it's getting cold outside finally. All right, now let's bring in our stencil. Oh, I love that. This one's called the World Stencil. And look at that. Can you see that? The sun is kind of coming in a little bit different, so hopefully it's not too off color, but that is such a pretty stencil. You could do this like almost like fireworks or something, or just, oh, it's just nice. Very nice. So there's that. Then we have an embossing folder. It's a 6x6 embossing folder. This one's called Petals. It reminds me of like dahlias. And I love that they're 6x6. It gives you a lot more options. You could do A2 cards, 6x6. This is really, really pretty. And now let's talk about our stamp set. Oh, look at that. So you've got two different kinds of like foliage frames. One that's leaves, one with like, well, it could be oranges, or maybe you could maybe even, I suppose, make them into lemons or something like that, or grapefruit. Isn't that cute? And then we have hello. We've got the outline and the solid. You've been on my mind lately. Lovely friend, you have a wonderful day. I am grateful for you, and I made this just for you. I love that. And then you've got this is a solid for this outline. That's cool. And then this is a solid for this one. So this one will color in the leaves for this. I wonder if it would work in here too. I don't know. I might have to play around with that, but that's neat. Same with this. I kind of wonder if you could play around with that a little bit, but I love that. And then our matching die. It's going to cut out your different frames, which is great. Oh, and that's I didn't even see this one. That's a solid for your oranges. Yay! And so we also have like hello, and then you have the outline for hello. I love that she does that. So there it is. All right. If you liked this video, definitely hit the like button and be sure to subscribe. If you are new here, I always come back with at least 5 ideas for how to use the kit. Try to use it in different ways, maybe with different sizes of cards, or maybe not even cards sometimes. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and even the little notification bell that'll alert you as to when I have a video out. So like I said, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.